Hello viewers! We are again from Vito Hacker Studio. In this video I will show you the complete manual to create the website with WordPress. Watch till the end, it will be useful. Let's begin. First you need to go to the wordpress.com and you need to sign up, and after that process you can create the sites, and after creating the sites you will get to this menu. First, if you want to edit the pages, go to the Pages tab, and if you want to add a new page, click Add New Page button. But if you want to edit the existing page, click on three dots and then Edit. Here, after this loads, you can click the plus button to add the blocks. There are a lot of blocks here to add. And if you want to edit a block, click on block, then click here on block and text background. You have some options that you can edit. And when you edit, you just click the update. Next is the Jetpack add-on. To access Jetpack, click the Jetpack. And you have here the Jetpack. If you don't see it, go to the add-ons and type the Jetpack. Click the Jetpack. And then from here you can install it. I already installed it. Next is the analytics of the site. Go to the analytics and now you can here view the analytics of your site, the viewers, and more. Then you can manage your comments by going to the comments section, and you can manage your photos by going here in media, by going here to this page, media. That's amazing. But let's back to the pages and let me tell you more. If you want to set one page to the home page, go to the three dots and then set as home page. You can also set as post page, but post page you cannot edit. And the home page is the first page when you open the site. That's nice, but you can also do this three dots and then promote with Blaze. That will be expensive. You need to pay it for it. But you can from here promote. Now let's go to the post. Here you can add the post. Let's add new one. 2000 years later. Okay, finally loaded. And now you can add everything as you edit the page. When you're done, click just publish. That's the WordPress for beginners. Now let's talk about the for advanced. For advanced, it's something called e-commerce. Here you can start a new store. It's paid, and you can go to the upgrades. And here are the plans. You can pay monthly and pay annually. And you will here see the price, but you can save on the buying by clicking the pay annually instead of paying monthly. That is the WordPress. Now enjoy making your site. Enjoy. Just enjoy. The blocks you need to explore, I will not show you because that's on you to explore and make your site. That's all of this video. See you in next video. And if it's this useful, like and subscribe. Bye.